Hello everyone, welcome to Elliot Master Live Trading Channel. My name is Philippe and I'm the trader on this channel. I know the title says that I'm giving away money. Well, I'm not giving away my own money. But if you come watch me trade live, gold futures, you can make a minimum of $500 every day. I trade a live account, my own money. I'll show you all of my entries, all of my stops, and all of my targets. I'll even teach you Elliott wave principles. That's how I look at the market. That's how I look for signals. So if you're a beginner, if you're trying to learn Elliott waves, or if you have blown out your account, this is a great way to make a comeback. Come watch me. Let's make some money together. I have to give a disclaimer. I am not a professional advisor, so if you do follow my trades, you're doing so at your own risk. Alright, I'll see you live.